Hello friends, let's morph some stuff and let's get right into it. I prepared the timeline by dropping my footage on it. Here is the footage of the two guitars that we will merge into each other, or morph, or however you want to name it. We go to a best point to cut. You see here I pick up the guitar. You see that there is something going on with the shadows on the right side. It's not perfect, but okay, we are going with this. And then we go to the part where we bring the Gibson knockoff into place. And then we have it. Not yet. We now go to Effects, click on Video Transitions, Smooth Cut, and we drop it between the clips. Then we have to adjust them to our liking. This is the whole thing. You can also do this with your toys, with your partner, on your own risk. I noticed that it's best if the subjects are about the same size. Yeah, have fun with it. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.